hello, like, comment, subscribe, and then wait till the end to see all the pictures of my hairstyles and tell me which one you like the best. Oh. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Delete. Oh my god. Look. Okay. I got this new eyeliner today from Wish, and it's like smeared everywhere because it's greasy shit. And look at my eyebrows are all messed. And if I didn't have this awesome little clip right here, my hair pops up and goes, "Hey, what's up, dude? Hi." Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. So it's not really an accident. Yeah, I smoke, but I did not cinch my hair off.
I'm a smoker.
I had gotten a spider bite because I sleep in the basement, and it had gotten really infected. So I had to cut the hair off around the sore that I had, and it took like a month to grow back. So that's the hair growth since.
Okay, restart.